Ki sanpu prangot ki MDC belajit Thymmai de ki pajba ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council wat ha Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Menta kesingi kelashim ya gebenta ban bam Smai na gebenta ban shimti ya kelingkor nong yalam ni kinomi Khmat MDC syakti ki yeng tau an ha KHDC bat JHDC. Ya gejing pen bam Smai ya ki ap kandaingot ki MDC ka KHDC la pen bam Smai da ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills ka kong RM Kurba bala pelong ha hall ka KHDC Shillong. Habapai Shah Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, u Deputy Commissioner ke West Jaintia Hills u Abhinav Kumar Singh ula shim yang kebenta kum kongsan ban penbam Smai ya ki ap kandaingot ki MDC batmai bala jit ki pajba.
As already notified, the election of the new chairman and chief executive member of this council will be held on the 28th February 2025 here in the same venue at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. respectively. Nomination papers for the said offices, that is chairman and CM, should be submitted to the secretary of the council before noon today, the 27th February 2025, and they will be scrutinized on the same day at 12:30 p.m. for both the offices of chairman and chief executive member.
I, Thymmai, have been elected as a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Having been elected as member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Grace Mary Khasi, having been elected as member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, do swear the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, having elected as a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which
I have been elected as a member of the Autonomous District Council. Do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.